up the pace when I'm running. I always take what I want and I always give it 100. Don't need a bank, no I'm funded. Play the game like it's nothing. I'm always thankful.
This is the refilling station, Albo.
Now wake up. It's time to look at the enemy. Look in the mirror if he is no friend of me.
Guys, what's up? Welcome to my channel, Ardabs TV here. Guys, mag-refill may cylinder tank. Kaya namin diving ugma, mag-cleaning mi sa fire hydrant sa Marina. Akong kauban, no? Number 1 driver Pakistani, Aman Lali. Say hi to my YouTube channel. Aywa. Ayun daw ito sa tuwa.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away. Cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Got a build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby I have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt.
A few moments later.
God. Album diving.
Minutes later.
Magbayad na kami sa refill namin. Ikot muna tayo dito sa shop sa Album. Kompleto sila dito ng mga gamit. Kung gusto kayong bumili, dito lang kayo. May discount. Ang ganda ng mga gamit nila. Makapili ka. May mga snorkel pa. Diving. Labis dito na shop. Go! Guys, balikan lang namin. Iiwan lang namin yung cylinder. So, tapos yung pag-refill, balikan namin mamaya. Dito pala sila mag-training o mag-practice yung kukuha ng mga diving license.
No. Oh, hell no!
Ay! Doon na yung tangke namin. Pinagahan na. Hindi pa tapos.
Yes, bro. 1 hour? Ano lang, sir?
30 minutes. Will wait or...
Yes, what works do?
Ito pala yung magkarga ng...
Kain mo na kay Sakwa! Ako kayo bumalik. Balik lang.
Okay.
Okay?
Sir, balikan lang naman, sir. Iniwan lang namin yung kinarga naming tangke. Kasi gagamitin tong sasakyan. May gawin pang lift up, lift down. So guys, ito ngayon, balik kami sa Marina. Tapos, umaya-maya mga hapon. 3:30, Lali? He'll come back? Or 3 o'clock?
Yeah, I need that.
Mga ganyang oras. Guys, handawin na tayo papuntang Marina. Balik sa Marina.
I can hear the demons call when they do what they do, and now I if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all. I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through. Cause I feel like taking off. Find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all. I just gotta get through. Sometimes I feel like all is lost, but I know it's not true. I wanna put up all my walls cause I'm not in the mood, but then I cut myself off from the rest of the room. I know that time can heal it all if you're patient and soon it can all be worth it, all the searching. Pain is never really permanent, but damn it hurts, man. I could feel all of the turbulence and it's concerning. I've been searching for a purpose, I hope it's worth it. This society is really trying me. Ain't no hide and seek, I hide to be far from anxiety. I need my space, I need my privacy. I need some silence, please, you're all too loud. You don't speak quietly, opinions violently thrown across every surface. It makes me nervous. Is the world honestly burning? That's all I'm learning. Hope that we can make a turn and start reversing. All our minds and put the work in. We got some work, man. I can hear the demons call when they do what they do. And now I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all. I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through. Cause I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all. I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through. Gotta get through this, life is a nuisance, tie up some loose ends. I try to be human, find a solution, my evolution. A place like this, it didn't exist, we made it like this. So you can go pick the bad or the good, got a glass halfway. I know, it's easier to hide than just to lay low. Not everyone in life has got a halo. I'm standing in the red inside a payphone. Just wanna break, no, I'm not gonna give in. Take a last shot, Michael J. Win. No, I'm not a robot, I'm in my own skin.
One eternity later.
Ito yung apat na may laman pero papalitan na namin kasi
driver, they bring from
matagal na
outside.
para fresh yung air na gamitin namin bukas.
I am the one, the one.
Guys, balik na kami. Kuha na namin yung iniwan naming cylinder para pick upin. Dinala din namin yung may mga laman, 4 na piraso para palitan ng hangin kasi matagal na naka-stock. Para fresh yung air na gagamitin namin bukas. As usual, balik na namin. Kasama ko si Aman. Ayun. Aman to my colleague's driver. Let's go. Punta na kami sa album.
A few moments later.
Ice in my veins, I've been driving this train. Years in this lane, there's no stopping this flame. Cause I came to the game and I changed it to play how I like, rearranged it to my own domain. Yeah, I got what it takes, made lots of mistakes. Taking shots, skipping breaks, feeling lost, feeling great. Popping off, singing straight, never stopped, never changed. All the squad here to play and I've got something to say, yeah. I work hard each and every day. I get lost in the words I say. I don't push pause, no I push play. I won't stop till I make a change. I withdraw on the things I make. I turn flaws into flawless traits. I build tall, never capped in space. I won't stop till I hear.
Load na namin, makargahan ng hangin. Guys, tapos na namin yung pagkarga ng air sa cylinder. Ready na para bukas. Ayan guys, dami na tayo. Share ko yung mga view sa highway dito. Pabalik sa Marina.
6 a.m. a.m. and I'm up again. I got tired eyes, need a cup of blend. That's right, in the a.m. that's my only friend. No light, just the sun coming up on the horizon. I lose track of time, yeah, I move fast and climb a new class to find, yeah, true passion shines. And I'm through passing time, I choose stacking dimes. You snooze half the time while I move passing by. I work hard each and every day. I get lost in the words I say. I don't push pause, no I push play. I won't stop till I make a change. I withdraw on the things I
This side.
I turn
Straight
flaws
to La
into
Mira.
other straits. I build tall, never capped in space. I won't stop till I hear him say.
Swagger down the street with your red lips and funky beat. You better hold your head up to the sky. I'm gonna roll with you till the day I die. Hey, swing those hips around. Can't stop, roll back down. My ladies, short, tall, thin or wide, always down and ready to ride. One by one, billion by billion, been holding up half the sky. Raise your hand if you're ready and willing, if you know it's time. Time for a girl.
A few moments later.
So guys, successful. Tapos na namin yung pag-refill ng cylinder tank. Dito na, unload na. Para ready bukas sa gawin naming cleaning sa fire hydrant dito sa Marina. And guys, maraming salamat sa inyong pagsubaybay at pagsuporta. At kung bago ka pa sa aking channel, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment down below. Don't forget also to hit the notification bell button para updated ka sa mga bagong videos. At guys, hanggang sa muli, see you next time for more videos. Bye bye!